Welcome back, learners, to your educational channel Learn and Educate. Let us continue with the law series, in which today we were going to study section 7. Section 7 states about provisional small cause courts. The following provisions shall not extend to the court constituted under the Provisional Small Cause Courts Act 1887 or under the Bearer Small Cause Courts Law 1905, or to courts exercising the jurisdiction of a court of small causes under the said act or law, or to courts in any part of India to which the said act does not extend to. Provisional courts cause under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, or to courts in any part of India to which the said act does not extend, exercising corresponding jurisdiction, that is to say, a so much of the body of court as relates to first suits accepted from the cognizance of a court of small causes, the execution of decrees in such suits, the execution of decrees against the immovable property, and subclause B, the following sections, that is to say, section 9, section 91 and 92, section 94, section 95. First, orders from the attachment of immovable property, injunctions. Third, the appointment of a receiver of immovable property. Fourth, the interlocutory orders referred to in clause E of section 94 and section 95 to 112 and section 115. Section 7 states that this provisional small cause courts act shall not extend to the bearer small cause courts law and 1905, or to court exercising the jurisdiction of a court of small causes under the said act or law, or to any courts in the part of India to which the act does not extend, and not exercising the extending the corresponding jurisdiction, that is the body of the code as relates to the exude accepted from the cognizance of a court of small causes, the execution of decrees in such suits, the execution of decrees against immovable property. The following sections are which we will mention in the further references made under section 7. Section 9 relates to courts to try all suits, all civil suits unless barred. That means court will try all the suits. Court will hear all the suits of the court of actions which is civil in nature unless barred by the law. Unless barred. Exceptions. Section 91. Section 91 is public nuisance and other wrongful acts affecting the public. Section 92. Public charities. Section 94. Supplemental proceedings. Part 7 of appeals. Section 96 to 102. Here we have to the part 7 of a Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is totally related to appeals, within which it is divided into some parts. Appeals from original decree has been categorized into from section 96 to 103, like appeal from original decrees section 96 to 99, appeals from appellate decrees section 100 to 103, appeals from orders section 104, 105 and 106, general provisions relating to appeals section 107 and 108, appeals to the Supreme Court section 109 and section 112 relates to savings. Section 115 is related to revision, but here we have to take into consideration that part 8 of code CPC relates to reference, under which section 113 is a reference, section 113 reference, section 114 review, section 115 revision. These are the clauses, sections which have been referred under section 7. In the clause B, let's move further. Section 8, precedency small causes courts. Precedency small causes courts are section we have mentioned in section 24, section 38 to section 41 and section 75. Section 75 clause A, clause B, clause C and section 76. And by the Presidency Small Cause Courts Act 1882, the provisions in the body of this Code of Civil Procedure shall not extend to any suit or proceedings in any court or small causes established in the towns of Calcutta, Madras, and Bombay. It was before the pre-independence period because it has been passed by the Imperial Council of British East India Company rule. So therefore, it is relating to the presidency towns of Calcutta, Madras, and Bombay. Stay tuned